time check. Wala di ko wait lang. Blur ba? So hi guys, time check na to karon is 4:46 June 23, Monday. And kamalit may yung coffee from 7-Eleven. Cup noodles yan. Wala na cup noodles. So hi guys, nanado diri sa Basho Arsenas Banawa. So stretching ta before na musabak sa to po. Time check 5:41. 5:41. So stretching sa ta.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading.
So hi guys, good morning. Ano ko kauban? Seryoso na kayo. Time check 5:40. Balik na dahil 5:45 na. Napamisdan. So, nanami diri sa eskina. Wait lang kay. Ay, ganun blur man. Wala kita ko now. What the fudge? Arin. So, nanami diri sa eskina katong na this way to Starbucks. Carry pa. Awang view na mo. Wala pa ni katunga. Babang. Aray, Diyos ko Lord. Hindi na ni mao guys. Taman na may diri.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi guys. Time check be.
6:14.
So 6:14 na mi diri sa not sure sa diri nga place. Basta morning view, wait lang ha. Morning view ay. Wait lang jud. Pauna ta sa morning view.
Beyond 6:13 ng job.
So mao na ang view na mo din he. Carry pa madapag smile. Actually before mo so diri na ay steak something baligya ata to. Tungkod daw, pero syempre isa naman kaming professional hikers.
Wow! Talaga lang?
So,
Talaga ba?
maumod na kung maumod.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see.
Si tatay. So ayun guys, mani ang view ari and karon kay nanata sa sementeryo. Morning man sudira ta mahadlok. Mao man ni akong pinakakusgan nga kauban.
Awang ba?
Uy,
Cemetery.
sementeryo ni? Where? Oh, darati ay
Napay kabayo. Sa hipot ay baka day.
kabayo.
Sorry guys. Hindi talaga naman tiro.
Ay mo tong Montirasas.
Monterazas no.
Naragya sa Montirasas. Muna siya, Montirasas. Mo ni ang Minteryo. Hmm? Wala yun guys.
Naunahan namin guys, pila na pag...
Nana sila sa babaw. Kami, kapila namin sa picture. Usang oras guro may sa picture diri.
Whatever. Grabe ka, whatever.
As long as na ay
Memory. Tulok ba?
daghan bitog taw sig pangagin. Agya na mig daghag taw. Ang motto is
Wala sila kaila. Mamo.
so posing lang. Mubitaw sila kaila ng maulam jud ang goal. Para na tayo best picture. Kaso lubat na ko.
Yoy.
So guys, nanata sa Sitio Tisa, Kalumbayan. Kalumbayan. Kalumbuyan pala yun. Respeto mo sa natog. Wait, kiss diha. Kiss daw. Okay. Save no. Feel ko guys. Feel ko hapit na mi. Bino.
Yes.
Uy, nailantaw diri pahuway pero syempre hisog man mi. Uy, pahuway. Di ako rin. Syempre, mga banggiitan mi, wala gabi tungkod. Naarami core. Core.
Corbal.
Wait lang, mahinga sa ta.
Guys, nami corbal yun.
Man yung view karon no?
Matatag. Malakas.
Narami dire. So, man yung muloy Yo.
Hindi si Monterasas. Dara eh.
Sige, pagitas Monterasas. Pero wait lang, kaya pa ni. Hay! Napaipahuwayan dito sa babaw, oh.
Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you read my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
Update guys.
7,
Time check. 7:06 na and
naisunog.
napamisa, not sure asa na ni na area but
Naisunog.
ano siya,
Gamay mo lang.
Kalibunan. So man yung view ha. Quick look sa view.
Nagisunog tayo na iya. Ay, truck.
view. Carry pa. Init na init. Dala carry. So, mana ni? I think doon lang eh. Carry pa. Ano yung luyo?
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion. Following the light that sets me free.
So, hi guys. Nandito sa Starbucks. Starbucks, oh? Starbucks. Asa to? Darad dire. Starbucks. So, after how many hours? Saan na oras, pi?
Time check.
Time check.
7:49.
7:49. So, mga kuan rami.
6.
1 hour kapin lang. Madarag smile. The best view.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling,
So, hi guys. Time check is 9:05 na. So, pabalik na mi. Pauli na mi. So, yun. Pauli na mi.
road and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair.